All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Unreal Engine project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. And the last time we went on our project, you recall we had one wall sconce and one flame situated along our wall. As you can see here, we have it situated up higher now along the wall. We have our entire corridor done, both sides. Let's take a stroll down the corridor and see exactly what it looks like. Now these are corridors are a bit wider than the other ones, so it shouldn't take as long to get all of them done. I think it's about 3 or 4 of them. I'm not sure. Some of them are longer than others, but for the most part, they are the same width. So it's not a bunch of them because they're all wider than the other ones on the side. So I should be able to get done all of them pretty fairly soon. Like I said, it's always the first one that's the hardest one to lay and get laid. But once it is situated, we can get the rest of them done. As you can see here, we have the entire corridor done. If I can move down and show you the entire corridor. Of course, it is going to act a little funny because I am recording and trying to move through the game world at the same time, but it's what we're used to, so we can just go ahead and move forward. But yeah, the entire corridor is done. I'll show you as much as I can without making the video too long, having too much of being shown here. Ships has both sides. This side is done. This side is done. They're at a good height. Everything is done smoothly. And this is a corner right here to the right. So we are going to turn this corner and start laying torches. I'm not sure if I'm going to put torches on this wall right here to start the next phase of the corridor, or just start after we turn the corner and start laying the torches. I'll see exactly how it looks when we get there. We actually start doing it for show. Let me see if I can get there a little bit quicker so I can see exactly. That's too much. Back up some. So anyway, yeah. So the controls are going a bit crazy because I am recording and trying to move through the game world. Like I said, it's always a little weird doing that at once. And I think I went through the wall and I'm inside of another part of the maze here. Let me back up a little bit more. Yeah, I did. So this is the wall here. Yeah, I'm not gonna attempt to play. I'll phase through an entire section of the maze that I'm not even supposed to be in right now. But yeah, so the corridor that we started is done, like I said. So we're gonna turn that corner to the right, like I showed you, and we're gonna start laying torches and finish the process. I might not do any more building today. I might focus on the models and the agents. We'll see how the day goes, or I may continue building just to get caught up. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.